okra, sayote. Dapat nag-isa kayo.
Dip sa sayote. Dip sa sayote.
Hey, merong daw ng sili na to.
Dip ako manonood.
Hindi, kung hindi ka kumain, yari ka, wala.
Basta ako na sa sayote.
Okay, go! Oo, no? Ano sa uya? Very good ka sa uya.
Wow, si Zoe din oh. Oh, apa pa na na?
Very good.
Nguyain, nguyain.
Bawal kayo mag-iwas sa ha? Pilitan. Kailangan i-figure out mo. Kaya mo na, sige, tinikman naman ni Kuya James.
Magkakalaban ba kami dito?
Okay, magkakampi kayo. Tiyari kayo. Ano, kung na, ganito na din nakalagay yung mga makikita yung susunod na part, no?
O, bigay nyo na sa captain natin ng mukhang masundero.
Sige, start now. Ilang oras at kalahati lang yan, ha?
Pwede na po namin ito buksan.
Yes, basta mo na.
Bilis, 30 minutes.
Nakatape eh. Sino nagtape ito? Careful, careful.
Hugutin mo lang yan.
Yan, bahay.
1, 2.
Milky shop.
House.
Ano yung second?
Milk tea shop.
Oh.
X, no? Good spot.
Titigan yung mabuti. What the freak is this?
Versus. So, subok ko. Nasa ano? Nasa, and whatever. Where? It's somewhere at the ano. Pillar. Okay.
Oh, this?
No, it's part of the... What is that? It's a buko tree. Tree. It's under this tree.
What is gan?
Dalawa, anak mo.
Mahulog siya, tignan na.
What does this mean?
Saan pa yan?
Oh, yeah.
Oh, you're on your own na, ha? I gave you too much hints na. Still have 1 hour and 23 minutes.
But there, that's Sampayan, and that's the third. What is the second one? Exactly. What's the second one? That's the second one. No.
Oh.
For me, this looks like that kind of formation over there.
Don't look at me.
Okay.
Hey, James.
Wow.
They found it!
Wala participation. Okay.
Flex on.
Okay.
We're good. Sorry, my heart.
Gold pa pala yung belt
Near
mo.
three.
There's a monster.
Mayaman ka.
Zoe.
Saan yun?
Basta nasa ilalim ng kotse!
Masyado yata matagal yung sa kalating oras.
Matatalinaw yung mga...
Sige, bigyan kasi natin ng hint. Pero kung hindi binibigay yung hint dun sa una pa lang, baka doon pa tayo eh. Pero
Takot mo dito? Ate, takot mo nga dito.
Oy!
Takot mo nga.
May ganun ba tayo?
Are you guys keeping all of the maps?
Yeah.
Maps. Isa pa. Kailan nyo yung
Also, walang X dito.
Second map.
There's not X here!
That's your problem.
Oh! It's final destination na.
You need to look for the pig.
Naku, may sisili na naman nito.
Di ba ang sali?
What is this? It's not the sign though. Eh, nato yung table na wrapped up.
Yeah, ayan yun eh.
Tapos hindi ba ito yun?
Okay, I know it na. Sorry, I'm quiet.
Sorry.
Bala kayo maghanap.
Christina.
Saan makarating yun?
Christina.